how to use a Sharpstone grinder. To assist us, we have Darlene. Hello, Darlene. Here is a 2.2-inch Cleartop Sharpstone grinder. Begin by removing the grinder from its case. Now remember, do not throw the case away, as you can use it later for your grinder or whatever else you may like. Let's continue. Remove the top grinding lid and insert your product here. Place the grinding lid back on and twist to grind. This is grinding. Grind liberally to the degree you desire. Very good. Unscrew the top grinding chamber, where you will find a portion of your product. On the screen below, the fallen product can be shifted to allow the pollen to sift through to the catch in the bottom. You can use the scraper to remove the pollen. Now, wasn't that easy?